is running out, and I can stop it. Our love ain't fine, and I am burning. There is no light if you are far from me. What can I do if I don't see you?
Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are here to do another individual lash. This one's a little bit different and I'm going to get into that point. I do want to do a really quick update of my last individual lash. They lasted about a week before like all of them kind of fell out or I started to pull them out. I didn't redo them because the eyelash glue was just super duper burning, and I don't even think they really last as long as I was thinking they were gonna last. So I thought I would come back and try a new method. These ones, oh wait, if you're new, consider subscribing. I post once a week on Friday at 12 p.m. If you're returning, hey BNG Nation, how you guys doing? Comment down below, let me know y'all are here. Okay, yes, how y'all like this hair? I feel like it's a bomb. Okay, bomb. All right, so we are here to do these eyelashes. So after that update, these are the eyelashes we're doing. So you can tell that I did get some new lashes. The other ones are actually pretty good still. I will probably go back to them. They just take so long to do. I think I explained it in the other video. I'm running out of breath, guys. Feels like a workout every time I'm like recording. I don't know why, it's like a whole workout. Those lashes take about 3 hours. So yeah, these ones, they have 3 strands on there rather than just 1 strand. So, or even more than that, it's probably like honestly like 10 strands on each, but as you can tell, they're still connected to one. So these are going to still look a lot more natural than just strip lashes. So of course they're going to take longer than strip lashes. You just put glue on the strip lashes, you put them on, and you're done in like less than 2 minutes. And if you're really good, you're less than like 30 seconds. Well, not really 30 seconds because that's how long it takes for the glue to get tacky, but like probably 45 seconds and you're out of there. Okay. So these, I'm expecting them to at least take like maybe an hour. I'm gonna go get my phone and then see how long it takes, but I'm pretty sure probably like an hour. I'm guesstimating just because it took me like 3 hours just to do a simple lash the last time with just individual ones, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to do 2 lashes real time so y'all can see how long it takes, and then I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video and then of course show the results. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so for this DIY, again, you're gonna need your individual lashes, your eyelash glue for individual lashes, some tweezers. The last thing you're gonna need is a spoolie. All right, so we're gonna start off by actually just brushing our eyelashes. Now our eyelashes are brushed, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the individual lashes. I actually got my timer, so we're gonna go ahead and start that. You just want to see how long it's gonna take. Again, I think it's gonna take about an hour, but it could be less. I don't think any more than an hour, honestly. If it's taking more than an hour, I don't think it's worth it. Okay. I think I'm gonna need to get some more glue. This glue dries super fast, guys. I can already tell. It's drying like white almost. So it's like you can definitely notice the glue. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the glue I had before, this premium eyelash glue. We're gonna go ahead and use that because this glue also is pretty good, but it does burn a lot more than this clear glue does, but it looks better. So I will sacrifice the burning to achieve a better look. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so this is the final. Okay, and it took 42 minutes and 42 minutes, 5 seconds, and 43 milliseconds. So almost an hour, almost 45 minutes really. And so that is with me messing up like a million times and just changing the glue, having to stop because it burns so bad, and yeah, that's basically it. Dropping the eyelash a couple times. So that was 45 minutes, and if you're not a professional, you're probably gonna end up doing that too. So this is a lot better improvement than 3 hours doing those individual lashes to even get a result from the individual lashes. So I think this is definitely a better alternative for sure than strip lashes, and even better than the actual individual lashes. So that is all that I have for this video, guys. I hope that you liked it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below any questions y'all have, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.